They'd sold some stuff, they were taking it home.
Yeah, something like that. Well, this is the end of day 2. And now we have a bare chassis. Bare knacker chassis. Engine out, gearbox out. All the bits there are just put back together. There's the gearbox. Lifting it with the tractor. And the engine sat down there. What do you think to that? So tomorrow's job, axles off. Under that one. And we're going forwards. Just a little update on the painting. We're about halfway there. Been on a couple of hours, sort of showing you the befores and afters. We've done down this right hand side, all the way to the back. Lovely paint as this picture in. So yeah, there we go. We've got a chassis like new really. Down this side, but like I say, we're about halfway there. To be honest, getting a little bit bored, so I just thought I'd patching's sort of disappeared there. Quite pleased with that. So, yeah, another hour, see how far we get. Right, I've just tightened up those belts that we're jiggling about. So it's looking quite tidy under here. So I'll just let you listen to engine again. I have just had it in gear with the foot on the clutch. Well, that's better, isn't it? So anyway, back to the real world. I've done the front brakes, stripped the wheels down on the brakes. It's all piped up. I just need to take the back drum brakes in bits and make sure they're all alright. So back to the real world. That's what I'm doing next.